What's going on YouTube? Back with another Traxxas Bandit video. And yes sir, you know what I'm looking at. They came in, the rear Anaconda wheels for the Traxxas Bandit. This is what I've been waiting on, this is what I need. You guys see the part number. You see the wheels? You see the Traxxas. Ooh, look at these old ball wheels. Ooh, I can't wait to change these bad boys out. But I'm gonna keep these. These are gonna be my slider wheels. But yes sir, you already know what I'm about to do. Take these off, put those on. Yes sir, as you guys can see, look at that grip. Look at that shine too. Sheesh. Here's the other one. But yes sir, you know, just like my other video, same process, but let's go. Yes sirree guys, as you can see, we're all done. Front and back Anaconda wheels on the Traxxas Bandit. What you guys think? Coming along. My first RC. If you guys are following along with the build, you guys can do the same thing. I'm trying to tell you. Well, it's a little dark out tonight, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the morning. We're gonna see if we speed it up anymore. I know those front wheels made them a little quicker. Now I got the back going. We're gonna see if this wheelie bar gonna really come in handy. And you already know what's next. I'm getting a new battery, stronger motor. You know, I'll make this bad boy a monster. But stay tuned, guys. Yes sirree guys. All right, here we go. Back next day. As you can see, we outside with it with the Traxxas Bandit and the Anaconda front and rear wheels. Set the camera down so you guys can get a full POV. Good enough for you guys. Gonna lie guys, I think these wheels definitely made them quicker. Definitely made them quicker. All right, I'm trying to hold the phone in one hand so you guys get a better point of view. But yeah, you know, not going as fast as I want, but battery, bigger motor, definitely gonna speed them up. The battery's probably worn out by now. I had it for ever since I had it, so probably a few months now. And you're running it pretty hard, so. But yeah, guys, I ain't gonna lie. If you ain't got these wheels, definitely cop up. Definitely cop up. Like, definitely make a difference. Timing, speed-wise, everything. But I'm gonna definitely be more careful with these wheels. I'm not gonna be, riding in the rain. I think that's what the problem was with my old wheels. I was just, doing whatever I wanted to do. Slide. I'm not gonna be drifting. It's crazy. Forward and back approaches with this. Strictly it's gonna be for the speed. But yeah, like I was saying, I think the problem was that it was raining and the other wheels I had were pretty bald. They got foam on the inside, so I think from the baldness and the wetness, the tires got wet and heavy, so probably messed up the performance. But I got these. We rolling, guys. Got that grip I needed. The build is coming along, so definitely stay tuned. I don't want to hold you guys too long. It's another Traxxas Bandit video.